Greetings, fellow Gators. I would like to welcome you to a new project that I started, and as you can see from the picture, this will be Atlantis. So, the goal of this project is to recreate the city of the ancients and make a 3D printable version that would go together as a kit, as with all my models. Anyway, this model will also be, uh, let's say, huge. I plan to do it quite big, even though I don't have a space for it. But yeah, so I already made the model, and without further ado, I guess, let's go straight into Creo and take a look. Okay, so here we are in Creo, and this is the model of the Atlantis. Um, I try to stay as close to the original as possible, but I did few changes, mainly to, well, simplify few things and also to adapt it a little bit more to the 3D printing. Because after all, this will not be a CGI model, this will be a real model that will be printable and that will have some considerable weight. I don't know what the weight will be, but the model is quite massive. How massive? Well, if we take at the bottom view or the top view, I guess, the sort of diameter, this is basically a hexagon, but if you imagine it's a circle, the diameter will be a little bit over 60 centimeters. So it's quite big. As I said, it's actually so big that I don't have a place to put it. And yet, I still design it like that. Yeah, I'm a moron. Anyway, how will it actually works? It's simple. It will be the same as with all my models. So ideally, no gluing, all will be together connected via pins and via pegs and various locking mechanisms and stuff like that. But unlike my previous models, I here did something I didn't do so far, and that's basically the model is prepared for lights, for LEDs and cables. It has cable management and it has all the preparation, so if there is somebody willing and able to actually do the lights, all the electronics and stuff like that, you can, and you don't have to change the model, or at least I don't think so, because now, as you can see, all the towers are hollow and have windows, so you can put some LEDs inside, and you can see that literally all the towers have those windows and are ready for the lights. As for the lights themselves, if I simply get rid of this building, every building have a hole. Every building has a hole, and under that hole is a channel, I guess, that works as a cable management. So if I show it to you like this is the entire middle piece, and we will now take a look at how it actually goes together. As you can see, there is the whole cable management that goes around the entire piece, and it goes to this cavity that I put here. Here I imagine that you would put some kind of controller or some switch or maybe even some battery. That's beyond me. I don't know how exactly that would be done, so I hope this is okay. Yeah, I personally will not do that because I and electricity, we are not good friends since it tried to kill me. So mechanical parts only from my side. And yeah, and basically when it comes to the pylons, they work in a same manner. I will just open one, and yeah, as you can see, it's also done from several pieces. So we start with this one, and as you can see, it has holes for the pins 10 by 10, and yeah, it's made of several layers. And also here we have separate pieces for the engines. Now I have them opaque, but if you want, you can print them from transparent material, and as you can see, we have a cavity here that goes once again to the cable management, so you can once again connect it and make it light, make it transparent with the engines capable of being lit. Okay, then we have the top piece and then all the buildings. Yeah, every building is a separate piece that will be inserted into the main body, and that's like that in every single pylon. So yeah, uh, this will be only this quick showcase. I will go into more details once we will print the particular parts. And believe me, that will take quite a lot of time, because this is a massive model and the printing times are not that great. Anyway, I mentioned that I don't have a place for it, and though that certainly is the case, I kinda invented a way how to place it into my living room, and that's to design a stand that will kinda angle the whole city. So I did it, and this is my stand, and as you can see, it's under this peculiar angle. So that way I will be able to put it on my vitrine. Now I have no problem to actually publish this stand as well, but as you can see, I am not sure if this will be useful to you. This is designed to my particular case, and as you can see, the ship actually goes uh, below the stand. That's because this part will not be on the vitrine, but will be in space. So I don't mind it. For me, that's not a problem. But if you want to put it on some big, I don't know, big table or something like that, this is certainly not suitable for you. You will have to do it taller. Yeah, but I guess that could be done by simply scaling these four legs only in one axis, in the z-axis. So yeah, I guess that's possible. Anyway, yeah, that's kind of it. Even the tower, as you can see, is hollow and prepared for the LED lights. So yeah, Uh, one thing that I did not show, so I will correct that. Let's hide everything here in this pylon and hide everything here. Yeah, as you can see, the main middle part has this locking mechanism, and all the pylons, all six of them, will simply slide into it and will hold together. Yeah, I'm fairly confident that will work just like with all my models. Uh, Other than that, and the preparation for the lights, the model doesn't really have any features at all, um, because yeah, I don't even know what feature it should have. Yeah, I was actually playing with an idea to put there magnets, some strong neodyne magnets, and make a counterpiece with those magnets to simulate levitation. But yeah, I have a problem with just this piece, where to put it. So doing a counterpiece, that's simply implausible for me. Yeah. Anyway, I guess that would be all for this quick model showcase. I hope that you enjoyed it, and we will take a look in more details in the next part of the project. Okay, have a very nice day, and bye bye.